Was a bloody weekend in St. Lucia with the violent deaths of 5 individuals in 3 separate shooting incidents. The bloodletting began on Friday night in Belmont Dennery around 9 p.m. One resident and friend of the deceased, who is identified as 29-year-old Mickey Sonson, recounts to News Force the aftermath of the deadly shooting.
But when I hear the vibe by going down the road, I see sister they crying, so I follow them where they going. And when I get there, I get the man under a banana tree, the man dead already. You check, the man was a good man for me. You check. That is a best friend for me.
According to a press release from the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, officers from the Reach 4 police station responded to the shooting and observed Sonson with apparent gunshot wounds about his body. The longtime friend of the deceased describes him as always willing to lend a helping hand.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now, you see that youth, yeah? In the area we circle them there, may I tell you the full story. But it's a man where they are prison. A boy where they are prison, cripple. A cripple foot boy. Put out the heat pan the youth, yeah? Now, anything we are going in that area there, circle have to know about it. So even though I'm a circle, you best believe, say, circle know about it. But this youth here, he's dead. You understand? And another youth dead. May I show you the youth right now. Now, that is Sonson. And the same man where fling where that gave the order to Dashway JJ. It's the same man give the order to Dashway Sonson. Now, believe it or not, I had spoke about Sonson, and I told you guys who was involved in the killing. Do you guys remember? Alright, I'm gonna play a clip from that video that I did right now and get you guys familiarized with this thing here. Cause we are talking about JJ and we are talking about Sonson. We are talking about the man we kill them, do the order, and we are talking about the actual hitman we carry out the hit. This is serious St. Lucia.
Was a bloody weekend in St. Lucia with the violent deaths of 5 individuals in 3 separate shooting incidents. The bloodletting began on Friday night in Belmont Dennery around 9 p.m. One resident and friend of the deceased, who is identified as 29-year-old Mickey Sonson, recounts to News Force the aftermath of the deadly shooting.
But when I hear the vibe by going down the road, I see sister they crying, so I follow them where they going. And when I get there, I get the man under a banana tree, the man dead already. You check, the man was a good man for me. You check. That is a best friend for me.
According to a press release from the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, officers from the Reach 4 police station responded to the shooting and observed Sonson with apparent gunshot wounds about his body. The longtime friend of the deceased describes him as always willing to lend a helping hand.
Now, you see, Me I go into the full story also. You see, Coca Boy, him get killed by a youth named Rollout. Rollout is in jail, him crippled. Me I tell you how him foot get fucked up. But you see, Rollout brother was shot by SONSON. Listen to this now, you know. By SONSON brother friend them. I know SONSON do the thing, you know. I want you to listen to me. SONSON have a brother that we call brother 1. So brother 1 had some friends who got in some issue with Rollout, the boy, cripple boy in a prison who rolled with OTS. Me have him picture, me I go put it up. So Rollout brother get shot. Now the youth them was supposed to do that. Them roll with SONSON brother, and from jail him put out a hit on SONSON. You understand? Now guess how who do the hit? We talk about this already.
Well, I don't know King Lazarus, and we are representing to the fullest Jamaica to Trinidad, Caribbean and the world. We don't want no more bloodshed, no innocent dead. A message we are sent to all the kill them. No more bloodshed, no innocent dead. A message we are sent. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's weeping and moaning and gnashing of teeth. It's bloodshed, warring on the street. Eradicate poverty and crime would cease. Somebody start rowdy. Election time when they're coming on the street. Full up the people with them hopes and dreams. Unfulfilled promises. Tired to hear the people, but we don't want no more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent to all the kingdom. No more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent. We don't want no more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent to all the kingdom. No more bloodshed. No innocent dead. A message we are sent. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight and gunshot a beat. It's a state of emergency. The people need help urgently. Watch yourself when you're walking on the street. Broad daylight. Alright, make we start count from 1 to 10. Once upon a time when everyone a friend. Every ghetto youth and every garrison could have shot anywhere and not get no problems. Now them old time days gone again. Nowadays is gang war again.
Now Pussy Wall friend killer VASHQEEN, and him do that killing there. And the reason why me I talk about that, because a VASHQEEN they behind JJ too and Rollout. VASHQEEN and Rollout, they are part of the OTF. But when we get to realize, even though they are part of the OTF, anything we go on in that area there, circle them off and know about it. So your best believe to them get circle blessings. Straight up me I tell you. Yo, St. Lucia is a fucked up little place, brethren. Yo, St. Lucia but this the normal. Don't want to follow me, you know. The youth, SONSON and JJ was killed by VASHQEEN them, and it was ordered by this guy. Yo, let me show him picture right now. This at the bottom feeder in a prison. Him name Dale St. Clair. Him go by the name of Larkin, and him have another name with them call him Roll It. He is a part of the OTF gang, and he is bench and body with VASHQEEN. The hit on SONSON and JJ came from this man. So I am helping the police to solve all these cases. You understand? Are two cases, you know, right now. SONSON and JJ. Like me say, JJ couldn't angle them money, cause them a straight hater. And him think say, yo, all the man them cool, them this now, Vashqeen them a big pussy. Them boy they a bottom feeder. Them boy them only bad in a St. Lucia. You catch them somewhere else and them a big pussy. You catch them in any other place, them not talk, them not do nothing. Only in a St. Lucia, Vashqeen them blood clot body out. And them kill off them friend, cause the youth JJ, him nah do no man nothing. Hustling a hustler a do him thing. And through my talk come up, a man just rare. You understand? That is the reason. Now SONSON them a say I'm brother. But with even that is straight hate. That is like them a hate upon the youth. So the boy, the cripple boy were in a prison. See him picture there, him name Larkin. Roll it. Him. So, 2 more murder solved. Okay? JJ and SONSON. We know say a bottom feeder Vashqeen carry out the job. And we know say a Larin, aka Roll It, aka Dale Sinclair, the boy were in a prison with a crippled foot. But they tell you now, say me I gonna tell you now how him foot get crippled. Cause me know how that pussy a foot get crippled. But me just want the police them to know what happened in a them 2 murder case here. You understand? And the police them to do them job, which they're not doing their job. Now, me I tell you now how the bottom feeder boy in a prison get crippled. Now the boy bottom feeder, Roll It, or Larkin, or way more name Sinclair. He's in prison and him get the hit like me say. But yo, him try roll upon some man, you know. And the man them prep him, come in, and a shootout. Yo, the man them bust some shot on him, lick him in him chest. The pussy have on a bulletproof vest. And him escape that shot there. But the man them end up shot him in him foot. And that's how he became crippled. So the little crippled boy in a jail where I send out it to Vashqeen on our 2 Batman dog. You understand? You and the Queen are 2 Batman. I send out it and I kill off people in the community. And I want the police know this. So that boy I saw him get blood clot crippled. Roll out upon some man. And the man them pre you understand, pussy. I know that you're coming and them give it to you. And you end up, the bulletproof save your life, but you end up get crippled. Now, you didn't learn your lesson. What you did now, you there prison, say you's a part of OTF. And you use Vashqeen and kill off the youth them in the community. You is a big stinking pussy hole. You and Vashqeen take them to youth life, yeah. You understand? And things say, yo, we're not gonna live happily ever after. No rest for the blood clot wicked, as a countryman say. You understand? People, let me know what you think about this video. We have more videos coming up. Listen, the video them are coming like one after each other. Now, never talk about Siki and Lean Back and the whole thing we are going with Scarecrow and all of them thing the dog. Me I show you all of the linkage. But for now, yeah, a Vashqeen responsible for the death of these two young men, SONSON and JJ, and that's via the order from bottom feeder in a prison named Larkin, aka Roll It, real name St. Clair. Same Facebook picture there. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, or click on another video. I'm out.